session. First of all, is to welcome all of you. To RCM Online College, where we care for you and we value your success. So let's go ahead and tackle these questions. So I'll lead through as you follow along. The following trial balance was extracted from the books of D.D. Associate, a firm's advocate, as at 30th September 2018. And please, if you have not taken a photo, please, I can display the question again. You pick at least you take a photo. You take a photo so that you may have your own copy. From the trial balance, you can see cost charged to the client. We have civil cases, then criminal cases. You can see the charges at the credit side. Then odds, conveyance fees. This is where they get the income. Then we have preparation of wills. They were charging 200,000, maybe per individual. Then cases in progress as at 1st October 2017. Then we have client, money held on behalf of clients. That explanation is important as far as preparation of these accounts are concerned. Then we have general or account payable, then account receivable, general office expense, cash at bank, client's account, and then office. Then we have capital, disbursement on behalf of the clients, drawings, salaries to the office staff, rent and lease, postage and telephone, printing and stationaries. Those are some of the items that we have. And there we have some additional information. Number one, it is estimated that debts amounting to 165,000 might not be corrected and should be written off. Then number two, depreciation should be provided at the rate of 20% per annum on the book value of furniture, fitting, and library books. 3. Cases in progress as at 30 September 2018 were valued at 705,000. So let me share the question again. I share the question again. In case you did not take a photo, you can take a photo. Take a photo of that question. And please give me a signal once you take a photo. You can give me a signal. So that now we proceed. So we are required to, one, come up with a statement of comprehensive income for the year ended, that is September 2018. 2, statement of financial position as at 30th September 2018. You can see there, marks allocated. So I presume that everyone now has the question. This is the question that we are doing, part B. They want us to get the solution to that question. Solution. So in the first case, what we need to identify here, what are some of the income, what are some of the expense, and then we need to look at additional information and check, can we really be able to adjust whatever that examiner has provided us with. Already I know that I have bad debts of 165. Then we can compute net receivable depending with the question. So let's prepare BD associate. Statement of comprehensive income. For the year ended. ended, for the year ended, it was 30th September, September 2018. 2018. That is September 2018. So it is always good to make sure that you underline your heading. Okay, so first of all, we identify all the incomes. We want to identify all the income. So for this case, cost charged to client, all these costs are income to the associate, Therefore, we need to highlight all these costs, and then we see what we shall be adding after the cost. So we add all the costs. Cost charged to client are part of the income. Cost charged to client, cost charged to clients. So we can name them. The first cost is civil cases cost. Civil cases cost. Then we have criminal cases. Can highlight them. Criminal cases. Odds. Conveyance fees. It's just easy. Conveyance fees. Preparation of will. They help you to prepare the will. You're going to pay some charges. Preparation of wills. Then, do we have any other? We don't have any other charge. Now, can you give me what is the cost of civil charges or civil cases? Hearings are given in thousands. I want to know whether you people did take the picture of the question. So what is the cost or the charges for the civil cases? Who can give us one? The civil cases, what is the charge? You see the person who is listening to this, even if you are at your workplace, you might be listening. You might be following. How much? Maybe I can assist you on this. Is it 4250? 4250? 4250. That is one. What about now for criminal cases? For anyone who just took the photo of the question, the criminal cases, 2450. Thank you. 2450. You can see those who are really following. Then we go to the odds. Odds, they are going to be charged how much? How much is the charge for the odd? Charge for the odd is 260. That is very good. Then the other one is 340, conveyance fee, 340. Let's be a bit fast so that we are able to at least complete. Then we have preparation of will is 200. Now, according to the format of preparing the accounts under the professional accounts, we are supposed to add closing work in progress. Closing work in progress. Closing week work in progress. So what is our closing work in progress? As far as the question is given, what will be our closing work in progress? Just check. Closing will be at the end of the period. At the end, you can see when we are closing our financial year. Angalia additional information number 3. Additional information number 3. That is very good. We are told that cases in the progress as at 30th September 2018 were valued at 705. I'm supposed to reshare again so that those who are joining can really pick it. Renard and the rest, please take pick that Pick that. So the closing WIP is 705,000. We add that back. We are adding that. Then we less the opening WIP. We less the opening WIP. Who can do me a favor and tell me the value of our opening WIP? Of our opening WIP. If our year is ending at that year, September 20, I'm stopping sharing now. I hope that everyone have a question. Everyone has a question. If our year ended at that year, September 2018, the year end was 30th of September 2018. What was the start year? The start year of our financial year. Start of our financial year. Itakuwa lini? I told you that you should start at this date. You say, this is today. What will be tomorrow? Tomorrow it will be 1st of October. Now you just go back 12 months. So 1st of October 2017. So our opening WIP will be 1st of October. Who have seen that? Give me the value. Give me the value of our opening WIP. Opening WIP. 1105. Thank you. So is it 05 or 04? 1104. Thank you so much. So we less that. We less whatever that we opened with. Opening work in progress. Opening work in progress. Opening work in progress, which is 1104. 1104. And that marks the end of our income. That marks the end of our income. Now we get the total income. What is the total income for our advocate, the DD associate? Then we move to the next. The expenses. Let's see the expenses and see whether these people really made a profit. Made a profit or loss. Did they really made profit or loss? So give me the total of the income as we look at the expenses. And then for the expenses, I expect you people to give me the expenses. Expenses. This is shillings in thousand. I hope it's visible. Yes, visible. For the expenses, let's look at what we have from the word go. I can see there is a bad debt. Only direct. Bad debt written off. Bad debt. Only expense. Written off. Itakuwa 165. Give me another expense that you can identify. I know you can as well identify some expense from your end. Okay, additional information number 2 is telling me of depreciation. Depreciation should be provided at the rate of 20% per annum on the book value of furniture, fittings, and the book library books. Hizo ziko wapi? Hizo ziko wapi? Sasa tutafute depreciation ya hizo stuff. Depreciation ya hizo stuff. Ni ngapi depreciation? Let me see those items. Okay, we have 1350. So depreciation, don't forget, depreciation of this item will be 20%. Depreciation is an expense of 1350. So hiyo inakupatia ngapi? Someone with a calculator can really assist us on that. Please help us to get that value. Then I can see we have general office expense. General office expense of tumepata 270. Thank you so much, Sandra. 270. Then we have general office expense. General office expense. Office expense. Hiyo nayo ni ngapi? 255. 255. 255. Any other expense that you can identify from your end? Any other expense that you can identify from your end? Cash, disbursement on behalf of client? Not really. Any other expense that you can identify? Eliza sasa wewe tutakusaidia aje? Eliza chukua hiyo swali haraka haraka ukisonga. Eliza take a photo of that. Tafadhali take a photo of that. As we look for other expenses, bad debt already taken. Okay, salaries to office staff. How much is that? Salaries to office staff. Salaries to office staff. Ni ngapi ile? Eliza nadhani wewe sasa uko sorted. Asante sana. Karibu CM. Salaries, how much is that? Salaries, this question is very interesting. Very interesting. Salaries to office staff. Office staff. How much? How much? Can you see 21 something? 2160. I'm not wrong. Yes, 2160. You want to see to know whether this associate got some profit or loss in its undertaking. Then we have rent and lets. Rent and lets. This is ID of 1800. 1800. Then next one we have postage and telephone. Postage and telephone, that's an expense. Postage and telephone of 546. Hi, who can give me the last? Let's see whether Eliza has the question now. Eliza, the last item of our expense, Nigani. The last item of our expense, Nigani. Printing and stationery. How much? Valued how much? Printing and stationery. Iko na ngapi? Printing and stationery. Iko na ngapi value? Iko na ngapi? Iko na ngapi? Stationery. It is 1050. 1050. Now I cannot move if I've not gotten this and that. Total, what is our total income? What is our total income? And then somebody else to give us total expense. All total income minus the expenses. We get our profit or loss. Haya, wacha kwanza tupate total income. Total income. What is our total income? We are still waiting for this. There is someone who is stopping us with this. They forgot their calculators at home, but we shall overcome. We shall overcome. We're waiting. Please, give me this so that we're able to proceed. You know, we cannot proceed without the two. Nani amepata ya kwanza? Wakisikia zawadi sasa zitakuja mingi sana. Bado. We're waiting. Who's giving us the total income? You add all this and then invest that value. Or give me the profit, either profit or loss here. It can be a profit or loss. Up. You know, there are some people who are going back to work and we have 3 minutes. What should we do? Can I get my calculator? So let me see whether my phone will really assist me. Time is 7101 income. Thank you. You are saving our time. Thank you. 7101. Thank you. That is the income. Asante sana. Who is this? This is Sandra. That is very good. What about our expenses? Total expenses. Total expenses. Total expenses. Remember, you're getting these free online class from RCM. Hii ni ile shule ya Dr. Joshua Ura. Dr. Joshua Ura. Nimesikia kabisa. Sasa, I have good news for you because I can see you have good interest. Thank you so much, Sadra. I'm coming back to that. We as RCM, we have decided that intermediate level students who struggle maybe attending evening classes, they can attend early morning classes. We have introduced early morning classes, and our early morning classes start from 5 a.m. to 7 a.m. This is a very nice time, 2 hours class. Yani unaenda kazi ukiwa already umesoma. So our schedule for the early morning classes is that we have financial reporting for 2 days, in fact 3 days, including Saturday. On Tuesday, and Thursday. That is financial reporting. In fact, tomorrow morning we shall be having a class. Then we have financial management on Wednesday and Friday, and Friday, and Friday, and Friday. These classes on Saturday, we choose to do the recap of whatever that has been happening throughout the week of any of the units. Then Saturday we wake up at 5:30, not 5, but 5:30 a.m. 5:30 a.m. up to maybe 6:30. 1 hour. A very good recap session. A very good recap session. There are also those who are not able to attend this, and they are able to. Kuna wenye akiset alarm huwa anaizima mara kadhaa. So there's evening session that start from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. You can as well attend this. Our charges, we charge Kenya shilling 4,200, and we allow 2 equal installments. To reach us, contact our customer care number 0793 555000 or 0719, though this one inakuwa busy sana, 19 525,000. So you can contact either of the two, and you'll be sorted. So we're charging Kenya shilling 4,200, even for the videos, books. We have some materials. For the revision kit, we charge Kenya shilling 1,000, and then for the study text, we charge 1,500. I thought that this information would be very important for you, more so those students who are under intermediate level. Don't fail to do your financial reporting or financial management because of time. Tunasema jioni sipatikani, asubuhi sipatikani, hapana. RCM got you covered because we have both a morning session and evening session. So it's up to you. Once you contact the two numbers, just tell them that I'm comfortable to study at your school in the early morning session, or I'm comfortable to study at your school in the evening session. So it's up to you to to be specific, because ukiongezwa yenye yuko comfortable, that means you not see the range to attend, because we have separate groups. Oh, this is a question. No, not a question. Is there any question regarding this? We are winding up. Let's get see whether these people got profit. So if you are given the loss of the expense of 6240, just do it. 7101 minus 6246. Yeah, they got a profit of 855. They got a profit of 855. Of course, it is 855,000 since we had eliminated 30. How much are the videos per unit? Thank you so much, admin, for asking that genuine question. In fact, allow me to stop recording. I welcome question.